Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you through fixing the verification required issue on the App Store for iPhone 7. Before we begin, I encourage you to watch this video till the end. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for future updates. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to find Screen Time. Tap on it, then navigate to Content Privacy Restrictions. Turn off these options, enter your Screen Time passcode, and return to the home screen to check if the issue is resolved. Another method is to go to Settings again, then Touch ID passcode, enter your passcode, and toggle off the iTunes App Store option. Return to the home screen to check for fixes. If the issue persists, try this third method. Open the App Store, tap on your Apple Idaho profile, and enter your Apple Idaho password. Select country region and follow the prompts to change it. Update your payment information if needed, then check if the problem is resolved. If it is, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.